Hi guys, and welcome back. In this video, I'm just going to share a quick update on my Robinhood portfolio, as well as what my plans are for this upcoming week. But before I continue, just want to let you know that I am not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes only. I also started a Patreon Discord page where I'm trying to find like-minded people like myself who is interested in making money in the stock markets. We already have 40 members in there, and we would love for you to come join us, collaborate, learn new strategies, learn how to sell options, and let's all go and find the next hottest stock. If you guys are interested, check out my link down below. I will also be sharing my trades with you guys as well. The market has been very volatile in the past couple of months. Take a look at my 1 year. It is still at 54%. All-time high is up 54%. So I am trying to grow this account to $100,000. If you want to follow my journey, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. I do post daily. So I was fortunate to make $100,000 last year in my other accounts. So just want to see if I can do it with a smaller account this year. We still have 8 months to go, so there is still a possibility. Just have to be very cautious on what I buy. So let's take a look at my positions here. I usually like to sell options because I can generate extra income almost every week or every month, depending on the option that I sell. So we can see that options expiring soon. I have GNUS and SOS options expiring this coming Friday. We'll take a look at the first one. This is a cash secure put with a 2 strike price. So in order to sell a cash secure puts, we do need to put up the collateral. The collateral is 100 times the strike price. So in this case, I would need to put up $200. And let's say if the stock closes at 2 or below on Friday, which is 4/9, then I will be obligated to buy 100 shares at $2. So that's where the collateral comes in. And because I am obligated to buy 100 shares, I will receive $18 in premium. So this money is mine to keep. I get this money immediately in my account. And what I can do with that money is completely up to me. I can go ahead and turn around and buy shares of GNUS with the $18, or I can treat myself to a nice meal. However you want it, it is up to you. So if GNUS closes above $2, the collateral is released back to me, and I still get to keep the $18. So that's what's good about it, is no matter what happens to the option, I get to keep this $18. But we want to be selling cash secure puts on stocks that we don't mind. So let's say we no longer want to buy GNUS shares at $2 because the stock is trading at $1. What we can do is we can roll the contract over to next week or the following weeks in order to collect more premium until the option expires worthless. And it will expire worthless if the stock price is above the strike price on expiration date. So we'll take a look at some other ones. SOS is going to expire this coming Friday. We have SOS 550 strike price. I needed $550 in collateral in order to sell this cash secure puts, and I was able to receive $90, making my break-even price to $460. So as long as SOS is above $460, I will be profitable. And that $90 is mine to keep no matter what happens to this option. Another one is 450 strike price. So for this one, I only needed $450 in collateral. I was able to receive a generous amount of $45. You might think $45 is not a lot of money, but think about it, $45 every single week, depending on how many contracts you sell. So I only sold 1 contract. That's a 10% return in a week. And right now, SOS price is $491. I should have sold more contracts at the $450 strike price. And at that time, the stock went down because they did a share offering. So that was a good time to actually sell options when companies are doing share offerings and you know that you want to get in at a discounted price. Next, we have BlackBerry. So this is the opposite of selling cash secure puts. This is selling cover calls. So with cover calls, instead of putting money up as collateral, we are using 100 shares as collateral. So we do need to have the 100 shares in order to sell cover calls. If BlackBerry goes above $14 at the end of the day, on April 16th, we would then need to sell our 100 shares at $14. So the risk here is we just missed the upside. But if we were selling it, if we were going to sell it at a specific price, it doesn't matter. It's a win-win for us. But let's say BlackBerry closes below that, well, our 100 shares is released back to us. But no matter what happens, we get to keep this premium, guys. For mine, it's $16 per 100 shares. It's fine because I don't think BlackBerry is going to go to $14 by April 16th. But who knows? It could, but that's okay. What I can do, if I don't want to sell it anymore, I can just roll the contracts over. And I also have a 5 strike price. I was able to get $50 on this one. And then we have BNGO, cash secure puts, $98. All this stuff, they add up very quickly, guys. Nokia, this is a cover call. I only collected $3, but it's fine with Robinhood because they don't charge you a commission. So I'm okay taking that $3. It adds up every month, every week. Sends cash secure puts, GNUS cash secure puts, JAGX, sends. We have leap calls here. Leap calls are call options that are longer than 1 year. And we can also sell cover calls against the leap calls that we have, which is a great thing. That strategy is known as the poor man's cover call. Now we're getting into stocks. I have AMC stocks, Nikola, Vaxart, BlackBerry. I'm down quite a bit. And that was because I got suckered into buying BlackBerry at a very high price at the time. And that is the problem that I'm trying to fix this year because I don't want to get caught on the upside, especially with all these FOMO stocks, meme stocks. It's not great because I want to make money in the stock market. And then we have Nokia, same thing with Nokia, Sundial, my average cost is $171. I'm only down $1,000 on this one. JAGX, Lukewan, I'm down $34. My average cost is $135. And then we have Assertio and Funware. So all these stocks I can hold on. Thankfully, they don't have an expiration date. So be very careful when you're buying call options. So that's different than selling options because when we're buying call options, we're paying the option sellers the premium. So wouldn't it be great to be on the option seller side and receive that premium? I know that the reward is capped, but the risk is also reduced. And we're trying to minimize risk when we're trading here. And I know I take a lot of risk before, but now I want to be able to build up this account to $100,000. So I need my risk to be reduced. But that's okay if my reward is reduced because I can always sell options over and over again to build it up. The more money I have in my account, the more options I can sell. And that's pretty much it, guys. So this week, I do plan on selling more SOS if it does continue to fall because the premiums are pretty good right now. I have $600 in buying power, so maybe I can sell another one for this upcoming week. So that's what I'm watching out for, or GNUS as well, because it's only 2 strike price, $200, and sell 3 contracts. Thanks so much, guys, for watching, and do consider joining the Patreon Discord page. We would love for you to come join us, collaborate, and let's build our portfolios together. I do share my updates in the Market Gold Investor tier, and I am just trying to find people where we can talk about stocks, cryptocurrency, and options, and just growing as a community and growing our accounts together. Trading, investing can be lonely, and you just want to be able to do it with a community. So do consider joining the Patreon page. Thanks so much.
Hi there. If you are interested in helping out the channel, you can sign up for Weibo if you haven't already. They are currently offering 2 free stocks now. It used to be 4, so you don't want to wait until it gets to 1 free stock or no stocks at all. So you get 1 free stock when you open up a Weibo account. And when you deposit $100 or more, you get 1 more free stock, which is valued between $8 and $1,600. And if you are transferring from another brokerage, they will reimburse you the fees up to $100. And you will also receive a complimentary 3-month subscription to Level 2 Events NASDAQ Total View from the day you sign up. So guys, what are you waiting for? 2 free stocks are waiting for you.